Example 1. Solve for x in the equation sine into 3x minus 120 degrees equal to negative root 3 divided by 2. In the range 0 or 0 is less than or x less than or equal to 360 degrees. So our range is, so all the values of x we are supposed to get, they should be less than 360 or 0. So how do we approach this one? First, we assume this one. So we want to find sine inverse so that we can get this angle. How do we get it? Is sine inverse root 3 divided by 2. Now the negative here tells us that in the unit circle we want the angles where the sign is negative. The sign is negative. So you write acts. Acts. Where is the sign active? Negative. Here, remember that all of them are positive. Here the sign is positive. It means that the sign is the cosine or the sign here. The sign is negative in this quadrant and this quadrant. So the negative simply tells us that we want to find the angles that are in here and here, the third and the fourth quadrant. So don't put the or include the negative when you are placing the calculator. It will give you wrong things. So let us find the angle. How do you get the angle? Now, if we have, if we have sine equal to root 3 divided by 2, then to get the angle, it is sine inverse. If it was this is x, x, sine inverse, x will be this. Sine inverse x will be sine inverse root 3 divided by 2. That is it. So x here, you use your calculator, you will find it is 60 degrees. X is equal to 60 degrees. Now, since our sign was negative, it means that the angles that we want lies in the third and the fourth quadrants. Because here the sign is positive, here the sign is positive. That's not what we want. We want when the sign is negative, which is here and here. So now we have what we this one, 3x minus 120 is equal to, remember now we have 60, right? 60 is here, inside here. So this 60 is our theta. We want the angle here. How do you do that? So from here it is 90, 180. We are coming to the third quadrant. How do you calculate the third quadrant? Third quadrant is equal to 180 plus theta. So here it is 180 plus 60. Now we have this angle at this one. So it means that 3x minus 120 will be equal to 240. Right? So like terms together, we are going to add here 120. So 3x will be equal to 360. We want a value of x divided by 3 divided by 3. So x equal to 120 degrees. So the first angle is for x is 120. That is when we are in the third quadrant. What if now we are in the fourth quadrant? How do you get an angle in the fourth quadrant? It is 360 minus theta. Our theta here, our x now, or minus x, let me say x, because we have x. Our x is 60. Remember that? So it is 360 minus 60. So it meaning the angle is, so we come here, 3x minus 120 equal to 360 minus 60. 3x equal to 120, minus 120 equal to 300. So this one we add. 3x will be equal to 420. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So x is 140 degrees. Remember, our range is between 0 to 360, and yet we are at 140. So you continue doing the same up to when you have the values that are less than 360. Now we have reached at this point. We have done this and this. So the next one, it means that we have gone one round up to 360. So we are going now to start afresh. So once we have reached here, we have 360 plus 240. Yes, that is 360 plus 180 plus 60. So 3x minus 120 equal to, we are here 360 plus 180 up to here plus x is 60. I hope you are seeing. So we have 3x minus 120 equal to, add this plus this plus this. So this one would be 600. So like terms together, 3x equal to, subtract 120, or subtract or add. We have 720 divided by 3 divided by 3. So x will be equal to 240 degrees. Yet we have not reached the maximum, which is 360, so we continue. Now remember, we are at this point, so we are supposed to be here. How do you get an angle at the fourth quadrant? It is 360 minus x. So 360 minus 60, the answer is 300. Remember, we have gone one round, which is 360. So 360 plus 6 plus 300 will give us 660. So up to this point, we will have 660. So we continue. 3x minus 120 equal to 660. So take this one to this side. 3x will be equal to 660 plus 120. So 3x equal to, this is a 0, 8, 780. So 3x is equal to 780. We divide by 3 both sides. So x equal to 260 degrees. Up to this point, we have gone round up to here. Now we are going now the second cycle. So once we reach here, we go 360 plus 360, that is 720. Now we have reached 720. So here it is now 720 because this is the second round. The first round we came, it was 360. The first round, I mean. The second one now, it is 360 plus 360, 720. But the angle we want is not here, it's not here, it is here. So we go 720 plus 180 plus 60. Right? So the next one will be 3x minus 120 equal to 720. 720 this first round. Now the second one. And then the angle we want is this, which is 180 plus 180 plus 60. So 3x minus 120 equal to 10. This one is 9. This is 240. That is 9. Okay, let us do this. This is 240. 720 plus 240. 69. So 3x minus 120 equal to 960. Like terms together. 3x equal to 960 plus 120. 3x equal to 1080. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So x here will be 360. So since we have obtained 360 and that our range was 0 to 360, we won't continue. We stop there. And now we have the values of x equal to, the first one was 120 degrees, comma. The second one was 140 degrees, comma, the 240, comma, degrees, 260, and 360 degrees, and you finish that question.